Hello, everyone, and happy last week of TED 200. We've all made it through, so that's very exciting that we can, got the introductory course done. So now, when I'm asked why I want to become an educator or what inspires me is my mom. My mom's a teacher, a preschool teacher herself, and seeing and living and growing up with an educator in your house and just seeing the amount of work that they put in and just what they do for for the children in the classroom and just how much they care really is inspiring, and it makes you kind of think, wow, what teachers can do and what they do for the kids, it's really just outstanding. And as sad as it is, we live in a world where simply some parents just aren't good parents, and kids need a positive role model. So, I guess to answer that is I want to be there for the kids and do what I can to be a positive adult role model in their lives. So that's really my passion, and I look forward to seeing your guys' videos and why you want to teach. Awesome. Thanks, guys.